basic natural hair care tips. These are beginner friendly.
You is so good, God. You is so good, God. You is so good. You are so good to me.
Kindly watch till the end, like, comment, subscribe, and why not share. Hola, a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending from where you're watching me. Thank you for stopping by. This is the other side of a modest. My beautiful name is Jacinta. On this channel, we talk about lifestyle, hair care, and a little bit of motivation. So, if you are a new stop by and you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for supporting this channel. And for the new subscribers, welcome to the family. So today's video is quite interesting. It is amazing, so please watch till the very end. And happy new year if you've not been messy, but we have to do this, don't mind. I'll probably be shooting a video on a hair style tutorial, so that is why I want to do this video looking this way. So don't be shocked. I am 4C, low porosity, and I'm proud of my hair. I'm proud of the far I've come. Sometimes it is not easy, like today I've tried styling and nothing is coming up. So without wasting time, there is a lot of background noise, guys, but we're going to do this right now. I don't have time any other day because I need to shoot, edit, and everything, so bear with me. And the next thing is we are going to do today a video talking about basic hair care tips for beginners and also everyone. Maybe you've forgotten, this year is going to be a great year because I'm going like to start afresh on sharing with you hair care tips. So please watch till the very end. Don't forget to give the video thumbs up, because if you like this video, we are probably going to get to so many people. So please support my hair care tip for beginners is you having a routine. Yes, sis, you must have a routine. A routine is like a regimen, and like it can be every day, it can be after 2 days, it can be after 3 days, it can be in a week, it can be in a month, two weeks. It just depends with you. You know, having a routine is you helping your hair to be in an environment where it can thrive, it can grow, and you are also having a check on it. Like for example, I wash my hair when it is virgin, like once in a week or once in 2 weeks. That is just my regimen. And also as I wash, I'll be deep conditioning, I'll be doing a leave-in, and I'll also be trimming if need be. So that is a routine and regimen that I have. And again, in the instances where my hair is not virgin, like that is, it has heated up or I've blown it out, that means that every week I'll have to do away with dandruff. I'll be manually removing them, and again I'll be oiling almost every day. Another thing is like I'll be combing almost like every day. That is just a type of a routine. So if you are a beginner in your hair care journey, the first tip is having a good routine and also being consistent. When it comes to routine, you need to be consistent for you to get those lovable, good looking results. You know, this is hard work. This is everything natural hair to become beautiful. Yeah, a routine is a must. The rest is not just an option. Yeah, you cannot come here telling me that you want your hair to grow super lashes and become great if you don't have a routine. If you plait your hair like once in a month, you don't comb, you don't check if you've got dandruff, if you've oiled or anything, oh my girl, we are not going to make it. You're going to experience unnecessary breakage and everything, and of course your hair is not going to be looking. Two for making your hair look good, beginner friendly hair care tip is you must make your hair clean. Yeah, wash your hair regularly. And with this, I mean, washing your hair, there is washing, there is co-washing, there is deep conditioning, there is doing a leave-in conditioner. So you must know these terms, and these are the things that we are going to tackle this year. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and share to your wife. If she's got that lady who wants long hair, share to your fiance, your sister, your mom, or everybody, because this year is going to be juicy. We are going to dig deep into the things that help us have that beautiful natural hair. I also have a hair girl, so in your vision board also have that goal whereby you are going to have your hair goals and your hair vision. Yeah, so I was saying keeping your hair clean, and that goes a long way with your hair care tools. On this channel we said in 2023 that we don't share hair care tools. We are not going to keep hair care tools in the cabinet when they are dirty. Yeah, you need to have like all types of comb. For example, we have weighted comb, we have got a fine comb, and all these combs are used depending on the season your hair is in. Like when my hair is like this, I am not going to use a fine comb. You understand, virgin hair is super fragile and it can fall anytime. So make sure you are having the right tools and you keep them clean. And with this thing of cleaning your hair, my God, if you watch this channel for a long time, I always tell you that you use a shampoo once in a month. So that does not mean that when I said in the previous point that I wash my hair almost every week, that doesn't mean that I use a shampoo all the time. No, I use a shampoo once in a month, and it depends with the kind of shampoo. There is hydrating, there is moisturizing, different type of shampoo depending on your hair. So it is very, very important that you get the right tools and the right products when washing your hair. And also when it comes to washing your hair, we've got rules that we do. On this channel we said we don't wash our hair with hot water. We either use lukewarm water, and then when it comes to rinsing, basically cold water. We've got reasons for that. And again, when it comes to washing your hair, when you wash your hair, there are tips that you should be following when you're washing your hair. For example, you
Hair
need
care
to
tips,
before you
beginner
wash your hair.
friendly.
You need to stop unnecessary combing of your hair. Yeah, you're not combing your hair to go for a beauty contest. You're not combing your hair that it is your day, you're a bride, and you just have to stand there combing your hair. No. Stop combing your hair unnecessary. If I tell you that I comb my hair once in a month, can you just get me? It is either I finger comb or I use a weighted comb, and it is specific. With this, for example, my wash day, I make sure when I'm combing my hair, I keep my hair into twists. When I keep my hair into twists, that means it is well detangled. And if it is well detangled, it is even easier for me to style the next day when I'm doing it. So we just want to cut this thing of unnecessary falling out of your hair and bracket. It all comes with combing your hair. Maybe your hair is dry, you're combing. You've not moisturized your hair, you're combing. Anything small, you're combing. You comb your hair in the morning, you comb your hair in the noontime, you comb your hair in the evening. And you want your hair to grow? And also, you sisters who like keeping edge controls and doing edges and everything, you just get any other product in the beauty shops stores. You take it, no edge what. Every day you are doing your edges. Do you know that you're doing harm to your edges? I don't mean that any product is bad, but please make sure you take care of your edges. If your edges fall down, you are going to look unattractive. And also, this goes a long way with those sisters of ours who use wigs. Wigs are not bad, they are good, but please, when you use them, make sure you are taking care of your edges, because those things, when they stay in your hair for longer, it is going to get your hair damaged. So make sure you moisturize frequently, and also you all at the right time, at the right place, and also avoid over moisturizing, because you're going to lead to product buildup and your hair is not going to grow. On hair care tips, like basic hair care tips and beginner friendly, is using the right products. I'm sorry if my light may be interchanging. It is because the weather is changing and the ring light is adjusting. So with the products, we come with our hair types, and you see, products that work for me might not work for you. It is very important for you to consider that. Another thing is that with low porosity people like me is we use lighter oils. We use lighter oils because our hair tends to take time to absorb moisture, and when it absorbs moisture it stays in for longer, so it becomes hard for us to use solid oils because it will sit on top of the hair. And also, if your hair is high porosity, then that basically means that you need to use solid oils because your hair tends to absorb moisture easily, and retaining it is a big problem. So with solid oils, when they sit on your hair, it will help you. So with that, I'll be just giving you a little bit of the oils that I'll encourage you to use. But again, with this, I'm giving you a caution because like I said, avocado oil doesn't work for me, so I'm a friend to castor and olive oil, and with that I mean liquid form because my hair type is low porosity. And if your hair type is another type, I'm encouraging you to try jojoba oil, lavender oil, olive oil, castor oil, peppermint oil, neem oil. Then there is this beautiful mind of me, amla oil. There are a lot of bunch oils in the store out there for you, so please try them. And before you settle on a product, I encourage that you do patch testing. With patch testing, I mean get the product, apply on your skin, let it stay there, and then the next day wash your body. If there is no reaction, then that means it cannot alter your scalp, so you can go ahead and knowing your hair type and being patient with it. Yes, be patient and stop comparing your hair with any other person. Please stop comparing. Comparison is the enemy of everything. It's enemy of your joy in everything, you know. My hair type is not like my other types hair. I think my hair type is not maybe like for my sister, but for me, my sister's hair types are the same. It is genetic somehow, but when it comes to our hair texture and everything, it is different because it depends with the practices that you do. Like I've said, the routine. Yeah, genetics can play a role on your hair, but it cannot play a role on how your hair will be looking like forever. You see, it is all about investment and having typesetting apart, like I've just said. So with this, I think your hair type, the previous video that I shared with you, I was doing hair porosity testing. So if you've not watched that video, please go to the playlist and watch it. Basically, this year we are going to open a new playlist starting with this video, but for 2024 videos, please, if I get that video link, I'll be pinning it down there, and please don't forget to check the description box. So like I've said, knowing your hair type porosity is very, very important. And also I had a video that I did in 2023 about hair types, and again I'll be coming here very soon with videos on different types of hair that we basically have, so you can learn. And if you know your hair type, it's going to be easier for you. Some people say that you can change your hair type with time depending on the practices that you do, but for me, I've tried to change my porosity. It has not changed, so that means for me it cannot work, but for someone else it can work. I had a client who had high porosity. We tried, and then it became low. So I don't know, maybe it is just the hair type, maybe, but you can try your luck, maybe. And also, disclaimer, we've got people with two types of hair. Yeah, it is very, very possible. So it is just all about you monitoring your hair and how it behaves. And also with you having new products that maybe you want to change your products, please observe and how your hair is going to behave. If your hair is not friendly on that product, why don't you just change? Please change. Please change. A lot of videos are coming on how to know the good product for your hair and everything. But before we get there, please buy new products, get you some new products, do patch testing, and that explains why I get products in small quantities before I settle down for them. So just buy them in small quantities, and then if it is good, you'll have to adjust as time goes by. Patience. Oh my goodness. You want your hair to be touching a hairband tomorrow, and your hair is barely even a year? Sis, let us not joke. Let us just be realistic and logic. It takes time. Nothing happens in our time. You can get those bloggers online, those people with long hair. They are going to cheat you that my hair is 2 years old, my hair is 1 year, my hair is 2 years. Those people have stayed with their hair for years. Yes, it takes patience. It doesn't happen overnight. Be patient. Your journey is not my journey. And also sometimes extend braids if you're having stress, and if you've got just a baby, sometimes postpartum shedding is going to happen. So even also check your check your family lineage. Some people, when they give birth to children, they don't have those things, so it is also genetically playing a role. I think for today, guys, on basic care tips for beginners friendly, I think we've reached the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching up to this far. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and share. You can Facebook me on Facebook and Instagram at Sheisjacinta. You can follow at the link in the description box and join Ladies of Modest Ministry. This is global. Our mission is to inspire ladies fulfill their God-given callings in ministry. And also, if you want to join our group on Facebook, African Virgin Hair Improvement, you're going to get their daily hair care tips. And just to before I finish this one, I just want to say that if you're watching this video and you don't know your purpose, please find your purpose and chase it. Like, this business, our days on earth are limited, and why not leave a good legacy? So with that said and done, be the last word, the Lord Jesus Christ loves you unconditionally. Obrigada. See you in the next one, and please remember, our goal on this channel is to have a healthy hair.